On hot days like these, I wouldn't even think about turning on the oven, so we're making ice cream with just two main ingredients and toppings of your choice. Super easy to make and very quick and tasty. Hi, I'm Robert, and today's recipe will yield about 1 kilogram of ice cream, so let's get started because it's incredibly easy. We begin with 500 grams of heavy cream, which I've placed in the bowl of a stand mixer, and we're going to whip it at medium speed until it becomes foamy and quite stiff. Set the whipped cream aside, and now we need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, about 400 grams. It's not exactly 400 grams, but I'm not going to ask you to open another can just for the missing 10 grams. And of course, since we're making vanilla ice cream, we need to add vanilla. Depending on the type of vanilla you use, you'll need more or less. Just add until you reach the flavor you like. Now we just need to fold the whipped cream into the condensed milk in 2 batches. If you're making a different flavor of ice cream, not vanilla, you can add cocoa, pistachio paste or other nut pastes to the condensed milk. You can also add a bit of alcohol, but just a little. In general, use ingredients that don't contain water, so oil-based, because water will cause the ice cream to form icy crystals. At this point, the vanilla ice cream base is basically done. To give it a little twist, I'm going to add caramel sauce and some pecans that I've caramelized with a bit of sugar and pulsed in the food processor just to add a little crunch. I don't mix everything fully, just enough to create some swirls of caramel and pecans through the ice cream. Transfer the ice cream to a glass or plastic container, whichever you prefer, and put it in the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours. This is how the ice cream turned out. I'm off to scoop some and cool down because it's so hot. Can't wait to see your photos. Bye bye! For more recipes like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for lots of useful tips.